Hello everyone and happy Thursday. Dear entomologists, today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020. Yesterday we learned about ways in which spiders' physical adaptations help them survive. Today we are going to investigate spider behaviors. Spider behaviors are the things spiders do that help them live. The example we will use is hunting. Spiders must hunt for their prey in order to survive. I hope you all have an awesome day. Love, Miss Kemmerling. So the spider behavior we are going to focus on today is hunting, and we will look at how the tarantula hunts. First, waits in its hole. And if you can see here, it's a funnel web, right? The tarantula is able to sit back in the hole and wait. Second, feels a bug touching the web. Third, jumps out of the hole and grabs the bug. Fourth, puts fangs in the prey. Thank you for tuning into the morning message. I hope you all have an awesome day. Bye.